gold, white, and dark green kind of. I like these though. You can put like fake snow or something. Well, do you think I want some fake snow? Hey y'all, so I'm just showing you a few of the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I didn't get too much, just picked up some ribbon, tape, a stocking, some wrapping paper, and a few boxes that I'm going to do a little bit of a project on. Stay tuned for the future video for that. I will be decorating my Christmas tree soon, so stay tuned. And I found this wrapping paper that kind of goes with my theme. I wish that this was green, because then that way I could use this. But let's see what else they have. Looking for anything that's like hunter green, gold, and black. I already bought those boxes from Dollar Tree, otherwise I would buy these ones, but don't really need those. Oh, cool. These could go with my theme. How much are they? $5. I don't think it's worth it. This is cute. $3. Oh, this goes with my theme. Oh, these might go for something. This goes exactly with my theme. Oh, I see something. Oh, it's blue. Thought it was gonna be green. Next up is Home Goods, and I didn't pick up too many things from Home Goods, just one or two items. I'm right here looking at some more ribbon. Like I said, my theme is gold, black, white, and forest green. I did go ahead and purchase that ribbon, which was $8. And now I'm just looking at some of the Christmas cards, which I already picked up some Christmas cards from Dollar Tree, which I forgot to mention in the previous clip. But they did have some super cute Christmas cards, like this one here. It said Joy with a little Santa, and those are only $5. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at some of the boxes. And they also had more ribbon, which I needed to look at, obviously, again. They had a lot of gold ribbon, which I was really interested in because, like I said, my theme is with a lot of gold. I'm trying to feel very luxurious with this gold, so I wanted to check that out. Next, I'm going to check out some of the Christmas tags that they had that you can, you know, decorate your... oh, these are tree toppers. Okay, just kidding. These are tree toppers. Didn't realize that when I was looking at it, but I was obviously standing there for quite some time. Here's the tags. These are the tags that I was talking about, which I didn't actually end up buying. I think I'm going to make my own. I'm going to try to get a little bit creative, go back to the Dollar Tree and find some more crafty stuff that I can create my own tags with, which is why I bought the ribbon in Dollar Tree. I have some ideas from Pinterest that I wanted to go ahead and look at. Next, we are in TJ Maxx, and I'll go ahead and play the clip of this. I'm just looking at, you know, what they got there. I didn't pick up anything from there, so. See those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling, and friends are glowing. Next up is Ross. This is the second Ross that I went to, and I honestly found so much stuff from here. I found my ornaments, I found gold bows, I found what else did I find here? I found a bunch of other stuff which I will show in a future video. The next video that you see after this will be the tree decorating video, and I will show everything that I bought, all the ornaments, my whole theme. So definitely check out my channel, check out my previous vlogs, Christmas vlogs, Vlogmas, and yeah. So I'll go ahead and just show you all what they have at Ross currently. This day they had a ton of stuff, so if you're looking for Christmas decorations, definitely check out your Ross, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, like anywhere and everywhere. Some places are wiping out of stuff quickly, so definitely go and check out what you can and try to get some stuff for cheap, or maybe find some clearance items. Whatever you feel like you need, go ahead and pick those up. All right, y'all, we're getting to the end of this video, so I just wanted to say thank y'all for tuning in to shopping with me. Like I said, stay tuned for my next vlogs. We're on Vlogmas day 3 going into day 4, and I am so excited for the future content. So definitely like this video, comment what you want to see next from me, and take care, y'all. Peace.